Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I am here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, we got another whiteboard video for the channel. Happy Sunday to everybody watching today's video. There's a couple different things that I want to talk to you guys about in today's video, and one of the things is definitely like not giving up. All right, so I'm gonna incorporate trading, investing, and just overall life, experiences in today's video, and hopefully send some positive motivation to anybody watching the video. I know we get a little bit like eager, right, to quit, to give up on something that you may not be able to see right now, but in order for you to really like obtain what it is that you may desire, what it is that you may want, you can't quit. All right, you have to have a bigger why. You have to have pure tunnel vision towards what it is that you want to bring to life, and you got to keep going. Before I start today's video off though, I want to say thank you to anybody that's new to the channel, anybody that's a returning supporter. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to help me grow the channel, subscribe, watch this video through, and leave a thumbs up on the video. I truly would appreciate that. That's it. Now, alright y'all, I'm liking these whiteboard videos, real talk. So, as y'all can see, I have a couple things that I have written down here. First thing is that your why has to matter. Alright? The second thing is being in control of your emotions, which is something that's not taught to us. We have to learn that within ourselves as human beings. And that is a day-to-day action, bro. Like, because your emotions, sometimes you feel good, sometimes you feel like, but you gotta be in control of it. And I'm learning this every day. I'm not gonna act like I'm this perfect person. Also, to staying consistent and being patient. Alright? So, first thing is your why. Now, your why has to be bigger than just you. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you really got your higher self that's with you 24/7, right? You have source energy within you at all times. You have God with you at all times. And God is gonna remind you like why you're doing what you're doing. When it comes down to number one, me making these YouTube videos, I remind myself that it's bigger than just me. There's people that genuinely get valuable information from these videos, and there's people that genuinely be needing these messages. You might not have somebody that's telling you keep going, don't give up, keep pushing, stay true to yourself, stay true to your dreams, your goals. Because a lot of people don't really want to see you, you gotta think about it, bro. Some people don't want to see you succeed because they have a subconscious lack of belief in themselves, right? But if you don't believe in yourself, and if you have a subconscious lack of belief, that's not really stemming from your higher self. That's stemming from somebody outside of you. You're with yourself 24/7. You know what I'm saying? So you got to really ask yourself, if there's something that I want to do, right? If there's something that I want to bring to life, why don't I believe in it? Because somebody told you that you couldn't do it. Somebody told you it wasn't possible, right? Somebody told you something negative and you took it literal and you believed it. I need y'all to stop that and just take your power back. Put that belief in yourself, right? Because that belief is going to take you a long way. No matter what other people are saying, no matter what's going on outside of you, that belief is going to take you a very, very, very long way, bro. For real. All right? Once again, your why has to matter, bro. Whether you're doing it, you're proving it to yourself, right? Investing, owning the assets, owning real estate, whatever the case may be, you're proving it to yourself. Creating YouTube videos for the people, you're proving it to yourself, you know? Anything that you enjoy to do, craft-wise, you're proving that to yourself, bro. Says you know it, bro. Like, as long as I can prove it to me, I know that people around me, they could do it too. Literally, they can do it just as much. Real talk. Also too, piggyback a little bit more when it comes down to investing. Bro, like, I'm pretty sure you got your family, right? Pretty sure you got your spouse. I know for myself, I got my family, I have my lady, you know? I got the Most High God. Like, it's a bigger why, bro. I know that we weren't meant to just put ourselves, right, in a box. It's literally a box that they want to keep people in to stop you from doing what? Using your own imagination. Real talk. Using your own, like, being able to critically think. Every time that I purchase an asset in the stock market, I, in some way, shape, or form, I'm like taking more control over my time, right? And I'm taking more control over myself. Because, bruh, we could like, you could easily splurge and spend money on pointless stuff, but your time, you're not really gonna get back, because it's like you're gonna constantly have to keep working. I gotta keep doing this, I gotta keep doing that in order to maintain a certain lifestyle. When you think about your why, you know that, bro, I don't gotta do stuff to try to impress other people. I need to stay tunnel vision and focus on what I have to do. And every time I purchase assets, that is benefiting me for the long term, for the long run. Real talk. I feel like there's been a lot of, like, conditioning in some way, shape, or form, bro, on this planet. Deep conditioning. Very, 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 very deep conditioning, bro. Where we tend to do things, you're doing things to impress other people. But them people don't care as much as you think they do. So, if you're a person and you try to get a whole bunch of jewelry, a whole bunch of nonsense, to think that you're the man, right? You want to fulfill your ego. But then you don't have you don't own no type of assets. You don't own no type of nothing. You basically moving backwards. Like, we got to be able to see through a lot of different things, y'all. Don't purchase stuff in general to impress people. Build in silence, bro. Second thing, controlling emotions. We were not taught how to control our emotions, bro. We weren't taught how to number one, like, pay attention to how we feel, and number two, like, not allow so much things outside of us to get us mad or have us feeling a certain type of way. You know? You have to teach yourself how to be, like, stoic. I'm not saying don't express how you feel. Express it freely. But don't let so much things that you can't control, don't let it get to you. So, for example, if somebody writes something negative, somebody comments something negative on the YouTube platform, right, about my video, or they may say whatever, I can't control that. I can't control whether you subscribe to the channel, you watch the video, you like the video. I can't control that. You can. The only thing I can control is what? Producing, creating, expressing myself, you know? Staying true to the journey. Same thing with being on retention, right? I can only control myself and my energy, you know? We have more control over ourselves than you think you do. You know what I'm saying? When you're learning how to think more logical, when you're learning that I have to be in control of my emotions, I have to pay attention to how I feel. And in order for me to feel good, right, I gotta do the things that's required of that. Point blank period. And that compounds over time, you know, that builds up over time. And that's gonna take you a very long way. Having that control over your emotion and having a more positive attitude. Think about that, right? Sometimes we think like, I want something, I desire something in life, but I don't think it's capable. I don't think I'm capable enough to obtain it. That is a negative attitude, and that is you not being in control of your emotions. Why not tell yourself, I could do it, I can obtain it, I am a powerful, creative being, right? And I have a positive attitude towards the things that I want, the things that I desire. And there's nothing that's gonna just come to you, just, here you go. No, bro, you gotta put in the work, you gotta grind, you gotta have faith. You gotta believe that it's possible for you. No matter what it is. Control your emotions. Okay? And then staying consistent and being patient. Your journey is long term, right? This whole human experience is long term. You have to stay consistent in what you're doing, and you have to be patient. I remind myself, stay consistent with YouTube. Be patient. No matter how the numbers look right now, just keep going. Stock market investing. Be patient. Study the charts. Pay attention to how things move. Keep on owning more assets and stay in the course. Because people quit when things get tough, or people quit when things may not be going their way. But that does not serve you. If you quit on something that you really, really want, then you put in so much work for you to just say, oh, it's not going my way right now, I'm done. So what's the purpose of you putting in all the work? You gotta keep striving. You gotta keep going, bro. Word. And then being patient, bro. Patience take you a long way. You literally teaching yourself delayed gratification. That's not taught to you. That's an inward journey. If you ever felt like just giving up, bro, I'm here to tell y'all, bro, like, that's not even coming from your higher self. That's coming from your lower self, bro. When a person feels like giving up, that's coming from negative thoughts. You focused on you're focused on it not going right instead of it actually going right, instead of it going your way. You gotta keep pushing, bro. Gotta keep going. Take life one day at a time. Real talk. God is with you at all times, bro. God woke you up to see another day. You think God wants you to give up? Absolutely not. Once again, your journey is long term. Do not give up. Attention, no fact, stock market investing, Forex trading. I don't care what it is. Don't give up, bro. Keep going. Alright? Your why has to matter. Control your emotions. Stay consistent and be patient. Real talk, bro. Everything is long term in life, and bro, like, another thing too, you gotta allow the universe to really show you what's up. You gotta have hope. You have to have a strong belief in yourself, bro. I'm gonna write that down. Believe. Write it down. Believe in yourself, man. Believe in yourself. Okay? Just because somebody told you couldn't do something doesn't mean that it's true. Just because somebody probably tried to downplay you, or you had some dreams and goals that you really wanted to accomplish, and somebody told you, oh, it's not possible, don't believe them, bruh. Listen to your to your higher self. Listen to the Most High God within. Your subconscious mind knows. If you feel like I am successful, I am rich, I am wealthy, I am a powerful creator, your subconscious mind in some way, shape, or form is going to help you match that energy. You just have to have a strong belief in yourself, right? You're with yourself 24/7. Right? You're with yourself 24/7. You got your higher self. It's telling you, let's go for it. Your higher self is telling you, let's go for it. Whatever it is that you want to do. Because the more action that you take, the better the journey gets. Because you're going to thank yourself for at least trying. Whatever it is you want to do. But if you don't try, bro, then you just, it's like you're allowing your lower self to just take over. I don't want to try. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll wait till next year. Oh, this person told me I'm not good enough, so I'm going to believe them. Oh, this person told me it's not possible for me, so I'm going to believe them. That's all lower self thinking. Your higher self, it's like, let's go for it. That's what you want to do? Let's go. Let's try it. Why not? Alright? Believe in yourself. Take your power back. If y'all enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. And I will be back at it with some more videos for y'all. Yeah, I enjoy making these whiteboard videos. It's your boy Terrence Carter. Yes, sir.